When we came to Lagos, my friend, you must know him, his name is MC Monica. He normally goes out in the evening. So when he's going out in the evening, I normally follow him to those places. So when we go, we meet some of these celebrities that wherever you are, you might want to pay big money to see. We just see them for free and we talk and the rest. So I recently noticed something about Mr. Funny. When you guys are discussing your normal discussion. Because sometimes I used to think about how he creates all those amount of content in a short while. Like, he has content, even if he's not around, he has content to post. So I normally think about it. How does he normally do it? Like, he has content to post at every time. So I realized that what Mr. Funny does is, as he's discussion, oh my God. As he's discussing with you on a normal discussion, he's trying to look for the next content that is going to make. So in just your normal discussion with Mr. Funny, you'll be creating his content from there, you'll be gathering them. As you leave there, the next thing, you don't go arrange jam, then another video don't drop. I don't know how some of you normally do your content, but I really appreciate the way he does his content. Maybe you guys, oh my God, maybe you guys can just tell me one or two on how you gather your own content and create. Because as for me, the way I normally do my own is, once it comes, I have a voice recorder on my phone that I might just use and record it. No matter how noisy the place is, I will just put my mouth close to the microphone and just record it like that. Then when I'm ready, I just go through my phone, listen to it, then I record. That's how I do it. So if there's a special way you guys do it, maybe you should just drop it in the comment box so I can follow, because I want to improve my ways on making videos so I can also make a lot of videos for you guys. Peace.